video, we will demonstrate how to access the turbine. Prior to accessing the turbine, please ensure that you have used the bypass tool to close both the outlet and inlet bypass valve knobs and depressurize the system. Then push the red secure clip holding the valve body and bypass valve in place from underneath and lift it up and set it aside. Then repeat this process for the other clip. Then wiggle the valve body away from the bypass valve and plumbing. This will expose the turbine located in the outlet port of the valve body, as seen here. To remove the turbine, first use either a flathead screwdriver or pliers to pry the nose cone retainer out of the outlet port. Please make note of the small white rubber ball located in the center of the nose cone retainer. It's important not to lose this ball as it can easily fall out. The purpose of the ball is to prevent the turbine from rubbing against the retainer. The stainless pin in the center of the turbine rests directly on this white ball. To remove the turbine from the valve body, use a pair of pliers. Note that there are two magnets located on either side of the turbine. These magnets allow the control valve to measure the water volume passing through the unit. As the turbine spins, the meter cable tip detects the magnets to track the total number of gallons that have passed through the system. Clean the outlet port of any buildup or debris that may have caused the turbine to jam. It won't hurt to also clean the inlet port. Additionally, ensure the turbine itself is clean of any buildup, or you could simply replace it with a new turbine if necessary. Please note that there's a specific orientation required when reinstalling the turbine. To protect the magnets and ensure optimal performance, the wider side must face into the control valve body, while the tapered side should face outward, as demonstrated here in the video. Place the turbine into the outlet port, aligning the stainless pin with the center hole. And then, while ensuring that the white ball is in the center of the nose cone retainer, snap it into place. We recommend using a screwdriver or pick tool to ensure the turbine spins freely, as shown here. Prior to reconnecting the valve body to the bypass valve and plumbing, please apply a light amount of silicone grease to both O-rings on the bypass valve. Once lubricated, push the valve body and bypass valve together and secure them into place using the two red clips. You have now successfully inspected and cleaned or replaced the turbine assembly.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.